Well, greetings everyone. Let's talk about weight loss. I had some weight to lose too after all the lockdowns and not doing so much exercise and eating a little too much. And I learned that your mind is the one playing tricks on you. So let's dive into it. Yes, so your mind is playing a trick on you, especially when it comes to weight loss or weight management. We are also deluding ourselves. I found that statistic. I know it only goes to 2014, but I thought it was interesting. The trend has continued. In 1990, 48% of the population was overweight and 36% thought they were overweight. Now you go back to 1990, actually 56% of the population was overweight, and now in 2014, we have 70% of the population that is overweight. So we have more overweight, and people think they are not overweight. So it's a delusion that is costing us in health. So ask yourself, do I eat when I'm not hungry? Or do I eat too much? And why are we doing that? What if it was a trick our mind is playing on us? What if we could stretch our mind in a different direction instead of our mind telling us, oh, get another bite or eat a little more? Just eat some more. It is so good. What if we could stretch our mind to say, this bite was so delicious and I'm totally full and fulfilled? That's a trick of the mind we can play with. So we can play with our mind. Habits are hypnotic phenomena. When you have a habit, it's part of your mind or part of your brain wiring that makes you act in a specific way. It's wired that way. There is something that happens and you react. It is unconscious or subconscious. It is hypnotic. However, hypnosis, although I didn't like the term, even though I have done it for over 20 years, helps people to regain control or gain the control of that part of the mind that is doing things that we'd rather not do. So Sheila Granger was a practitioner in the UK, and she developed what she calls a virtual gastric band. It worked in clinical setting with 95% of the participant having success. And now those who were very obese people for whom the surgical gastric band was not recommended. So she worked with these people with a 95% success. And as I mentioned, those people had been refused the gastric band because they were too obese or they had other health problems. She took care of these people in a clinical setting using hypnosis. So the virtual gastric band, well, it's drug-free and it's a non-surgical answer that had 95% success rate in Sheila's clinical study. The benefits, well, it's not a diet. You don't have to eat specific food and not other food. You can actually eat whatever you want. And it's cost effective. You're not going through surgery. Obviously, it's non-invasive. You don't have surgery. Therefore, there are no complications in a virtual gastric band. So let's summarize. 95% of the participants lost weight based on Sheila Granger's clinical study. It's a personalized program, changes how you think about food and has small realistic goals that you can live with, and it's only 4 sessions. It's a program that takes place in 4 sessions. It convinces your brain that your stomach is full, that you have eaten an appropriate amount of food, and that there is no need to eat more. You are so fulfilled with that gastric band. You can eat what you want, you feel satisfied, you have no hunger, not feeling miserable, and you don't feel deprived either. Very amazing process. So contact me if you want to know more. There's no obligation. Let's just chat. And you can either click there, or if it doesn't work, contact me at thechampionmind.com/calendar. We'll set up a consultation whenever it is convenient for you, and I'll answer your questions. So don't hesitate. Contact me, thechampionmind.com/calendar. See you soon.